How to fix Call of Duty, COD, Warzone error code 38. 1. For console players, update the game. PS5, launch the check for update in options. Refer to the IMG below. Xbox, manage game downloads. Refer to the IMG below. And hard reboot your console when the upgrade is done. If the arrow 38 continues, reboot your router. Check Warzone server status in the meanwhile. Plan B, shut. Down your system for 30 seconds, restart your machine. 2. PC users, exit then rerun battle.net launcher. And update your graphics card drivers using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. Note, you can launch click scan repair option as well. And, disable any antivirus or firewall software. 3. Contact Activision support at https://support.activision.com/call-of-duty-warzone.